Hi you guys. So we're in back with Cullen, and as you can tell, we went a little deep on the project. We got into the boxes a little bit. We found that there were two things. It was either a foam eruption or a carbon snake. Of course, the foam eruption had only one difficulty and one danger, so it was probably easier. But of course, danger is cool. So, and the duration's 10 minutes, all the safety you need. And yeah, so let's get into this. And we already have the stuff right there. So the flame of the solid fuel is almost colorless. To make it more visible, mix the solid fuel with baking soda, NaHCO3, which contains sodium ions. These will turn the yellow flame. Alright, so we might need this wooden stick. So right now it says we have to unscrew this, which we already did. Pour out everything, alright.
Colin, why don't you hold the yellow container for Brayden? Hold the base of the yellow container.
Okay.
And Colin, that way you can get the stick and push it out.
Alright, let's get this stick. Okay. Let's just kind of get it free. That way it'll go out.
Easier. And then...
There you go.
Oh, that's falling. Oh no. Oh no. Is that a...
That looks perfect.
I'm just gonna check if there's any more since I spoke a little bit.
Awesome. There we go.
Alright, perfect. We spilled a little bit, but hopefully that doesn't really matter or anything.
It said in the box that all the chemicals are safe, so you don't have to worry about it. So now you have to mix it.
Now we have to shake it for 30 seconds.
So put the cap back on.
Almost at 30 minutes.
Yeah, let me move the slider out of the way. We thought that we might need it later.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Woo! Alright. So after we shake for 30 seconds, 1 spoon of the mixture will be enough.
Yep.
So then what do we do next?
Apply the thermo sticker. Alright, so.
We did that?
Yes, we did that. Pour out 1 big spoon into the center of the foil into the shape of the mound. Alright, so. Spoon.
Spoon's right there.
I'm blind. So we want to open this.
Yep.
Wait. Is this? Okay.
Okay, go. Then it says...
Pour out 1 big spoon into the center of the foil into the shape of the mound. So we don't need this right now.
You don't put that. You put that on top of the foil.
Really?
Yeah, because there's a hole. Of course.
Oh yeah. Should we carve the hole?
Nope, just leave it there.
Okay.
If you want to flatten it, that makes sense. One big scoop.
Oh, there's so much. Oh, there we go. Come on, get back. I see you.